Oh, wow. You have to try this. Hi, everybody. It's Connie. Welcome today. Well, I've got a wonderful, refreshing spring, summer, Easter dessert for you guys. It's lemon bars, and they're very yummy. I can't wait to show you. Okay, so let's get started. This recipe is very, very easy to put together. And what you're going to need first for the crust is 2 sticks of real butter. And I've gone ahead and took them out of their little wrapper here. And I'm going to melt these in my microwave. Okay, so our butter is melted here in the microwave like this. And now what we're going to do is we're going to need 2 cups of flour and half a cup of powdered sugar. We're just going to mix this together right like this. And then just a pinch of salt. I'm just going to do it like this because I don't want to put too much. Just like that. And we're going to mix this together like this. And then we're going to add it to this butter. And then we're going to mix it all together to make a crust. And I have my oven preheating at 350 degrees. And so we're just going to mix this in with the butter like this. And make a little crust and make sure it's all mixed evenly. You want to make sure that you get this patted up the sides because the filling is going to encompass that. So it is going to feel a little thin, but what we've got now is our crust. I'll wipe my hands here just a minute. Show you what this looks like. Just like this. And we're going to bake it in the oven for about 20 or 25 minutes. And then we're going to make that yummy lemon filling. I can't wait to show you. Okay, you guys, our crust is ready. And so what we're going to do is get it out of the oven here. And then, oh my goodness, look at this. We're going to reset our oven to 325 because this mixture that we're about to make cooks at 325. So I'm going from 350. I'm just going to let it start cooling down just a minute. And we're going to get started on this lemon filling. So what we do is you're going to need 4 eggs. And I'm just going to use my little mixing bowl. You won't have to use a mixer for this. So we're going to take 4 eggs and crack these. I hope everybody's having a great day. I just want to remind you to like, comment, subscribe, share this recipe with somebody. I'm enjoying all your comments. I just love them. So keep it up. So, okay, now I've got my eggs in here. And so what we're going to do now is just slightly beat these. And I'm just going to use a fork here like this. And then you're going to need 2 cups of sugar, just granulated sugar. I'm going to pour that in here. This. Kind of give it a little mix like this with my fork. You can use a whisk if you want to. And then you're going to need about a 1/3 cup of lemon juice, but I'm using fresh squeezed. And I've got 1 lemon, half of a lemon already squeezed. And so we're just going to squeeze the other one in here. Oh, this fresh lemon smells so good. My goodness. I love the smell of lemons and any kind of citrus, really. Just makes everything so fresh. Okay. So yes, we've got just about a 1/3 of a cup. So we're going to pour this in here like that. Give it a little stir. Stir it up really well. And I think my oven's just about preheated to 325, like I said before. Make sure. Yeah, it is. We're going to pour this over our crust, into our crust just like this. Make sure you get all that. And this crust is going to be hot. That's okay. You want it to be. Okay, so when we get this finished at 325 for 25 minutes, you want to stay tuned because I'm going to show you what I put on this yummy lemon bars. So stay tuned. Okay, y'all, our lemon bars are ready. So we'll take these out of the oven, and what we're going to do is let them completely cool before you slice these. And oh, it has my house just smelling so fragrant like lemons. Now I'm going to take some powdered sugar, and I'm going to hit it with a little bit of powdered sugar. I had to get David one because he was smelling it all through the house and he couldn't wait. But I wanted to show you how wonderful these are. And this crust will absolutely melt in your mouth. It is so flaky and so good. I can't wait for you to try these. You're going to love them. I want you to go share the love and tell somebody you love them. And they'll know it after you give them this. I promise. It's so yummy. Thanks for joining me. Bye. Wow.